How to fix Messenger story not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and search for Messenger just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So we're going to go back and simply launch the settings application on the device. Scroll down over here on settings and then tap on apps. Then select on manage app, and under manage app simply tap on the search bar and search for Messenger. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on the device, and if not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So just tap on Messenger, and here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So select on clear data and then clear cache and tap on OK. As you do that, you'll be able to solve the issue most probably. If not, you can simply make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might definitely help you out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.